In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Internet Explorer on Windows Server 2019. Before uninstalling Internet Explorer, you have to make sure you have installed Google Chrome or any other web browser. Go to Start menu, click on Settings. In Settings, click on Apps. Under Apps and Features, click on Manage Optional Features. And then here you will find Internet Explorer version 11. Click on Internet Explorer version 11 and you will find a uninstall button. Click on uninstall and uninstallation finished. Now you need to restart your computer. Close settings, click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, Internet Explorer is successfully uninstalled from my Windows Server 2019. That's it.